now we have a question. Given that log of x base 3 is p and log x base 18 is q, we want to show that log 3 base 6 is q divided by p minus q. So, if you want to show this, you have to first eliminate x. So, if we begin with log x base 3 is equal to p, this, remember, implies that 3 power p is x. Remember, we said the log of the number is that number for which the base must be raised in order to get that number. In that case, that means that x is equal to 3 power p is equal to 3 power p. Also, if you consider a log base x over 18 is equal to q, this simply means that x is equal to 18 power q. 18 power q. If this is equation 1, then this is going to be equation 2. Of course, you look at both of them, they are x's, so I'm going to equate equation 1 to 2, such that I will have 3 power p is equal to 18 power q is equal to 18 power q. However, where I'm going, it is log of base 6. It is log of base 6. That means now I'm going to introduce logarithm both sides, but to base 6. So I'll have log 3 power p base 6 is equal to log of 18 power q base what? Base 6. Is that okay? Let's try to continue and we see how to simplify this. What will I have here? I can bring this p this side such that I have what? I have p. P log 3 base 6 is equal to q. This one can come here. Q log 18 base what? Base 6. So now I can express this 18 in terms of 6 and also in terms of 3, because 18 is 6 times 3. So I will have p log 3 base 6 is equal to q into q log 6 times 3, still base what? Base 6. If I choose to divide both sides, I will have log of 3 base 6 is equal to q. Here I'm going to apply the first law of logarithm, if you remember, which said that if you are multiplying numbers under logarithm, you can add the logarithm of those numbers. So in that case, it will be log of 6 base 6 plus log of 3 base what? Base 6. Is that okay? So we have p log of 3 base 6 is equal to this. Let me try to expand. So I'll have p log of 3 base 6 is equal to q log 6 base 6. In fact, this log 6 base 6 will be 1. Because if the base and the power are the same, then it becomes 1 into 1. Then plus q log what? Log 3 base 6. So I have log 3 base 6. Log 3 base 6, I can bring this on this side such that I have p log 3 base 6 minus q log 3 base 6 is equal to q. I try to factorize out log 3 base 6 into, here I have p, here I have q is equal to q. Divide both sides by p minus q, then I will have log of 3 base 6. Log of 3 base 6 is equal to q out of p minus q. Out of p minus q. Okay, now we have the next equation, which says show that log of x base 8 is equal to 2 out of 3 log of x base 4. Let us try to prove. Let us try to prove this. We have log 8 base x. Of course, when you look at this one here, we are changing the what? The base. So if you want to change the base, remember what we said. We introduce the base, so it will be log x power 4 out of log, base 4. And now that's going to be 8 base 4. 8 base 4. So basically, when you compare with where we are going, this one we already have. So what we are remaining with is to transform log of 8 base 4 into 2 out of 3. But, so we begin with the denominator, log power 4 of 8. Log of 8 is 8. We want to get this, but now there is no way you can express 4 in terms of 8 without introducing 2. And therefore it means if we introduce log base 2, it can easily simplify 8. It can also simplify 2. i.e., that I'm introducing log of base 2 of 8 divided by log of 4 base what? Base 2. The reason why we are doing this is because this one in itself is not directly derived. However, this one you can easily derive. You can express 8 pure in terms of 2. You can express 4 pure in terms of 2. But we cannot express 8 in terms of 4. We will need a different number, which is 2, because 8 is 2 times 4. And that will give us some hard time. But someone else can actually express it in the form of okay. Let me first do this. If we are to do this here, this will be log, which is equal to, this will be log 2 power 3 base 2 divided by log 2 power 2 still base 2. This one comes here, this one comes here. That will be 3 log 2 base 2 out of 2 log 2 base 2. The base and the power are the same, so it goes off and we remain with 3 out of 2. We remain 3 out of 2. So basically, our log of x base 8 is 3 out of 2. Is that okay? So if this one was equation 1, our log of 8 base 4 is actually 3 out of 2. So I'm going to substitute this is log of 8 base 4. I'm going to substitute this one in equation 1, such that log of x base 8 is equal to, this is log of x base 4 out of 3 over 2. Then this one is going to be the what? The reciprocal of the multiplication, such that log x base 8 is, that will be 2 out of 3 log x base 4. Log x base 4 as required. However, I will say the other way you can do this, you can easily express this in form of, let me show it here, just in case, because it can also teach us a thing or two. If you have log of 8 base 4, this one can also become log of 4 times 2 base 4. When you look at this, it can become log of 4 base 4 plus log of 2 base 4. You see that? I've expanded the logarithm using first law of logarithm, which says the addition of logarithms of numbers can be equal to the multiplication of the numbers and a log. And this one becomes 1, but this one too can be expressed in terms of 4 as the square root of 4, which is actually 4 power a half, base 4. In that case, that becomes 1 plus this one comes and it becomes a half log 4 base 4, which is still 1 plus a half, which is still actually 3 out of 2. So either you can use this method which we have gone with that gives us log of 8 base 4 as 3 out of 2, or you can use this one which still will give you the same answer. But apart from us proving this to be true, we also had to evaluate log of 6 base 8, given that log of 3 base 4 is that one. So you will allow me to wrap this part. In this case, we want to evaluate log. Log of 6 base 8. I'm going to, because they say the hence or otherwise, I'm going to use the hence part. Which enables me to use the identity that I have proven here, whereby in this case 6 is being represented as x. So it means if I was to use this method here, where x is 6, I would have log of 6 base 8 would be 2 out of 3 log of 6 base 4. Log of 6 base 4. Because in this case, 6 has been represented by x in this expression. That means I can use this statement because it has been mathematically proven. This will be 2 out of 3. This one can be expressed in terms of 2 and 3. Log 2 times 3. Log 2 times 3. But I have been, the base is 4. I have been given the fact that log of 3 base 4 is this. So I will not fear using a 3 because its value has been given. This is equal to 2 out of 3 log base 4 over 2. I'm using the first law of logarithm plus 2 out of 3 log 3 base 4. Is equal to, this is 2 out of 3. We said this is log 4 power a half base 4. Then plus 2 out of 3 into this value has been given as 0.7925. This one comes and it multiplies here. When it multiplies, the half will go. The 2 will go. Times 1 out of 2. Then here will remain with log of 4 base 4, which is 1. Then plus 0.5283. Of course, this one goes off, and this one is a third plus 0.5283 plus 1. So the answer becomes 0.86117. Okay, now we want to look at this last number. We want to show that this expression can shrink into 3 out of 2. We are going to use the laws of logarithms, especially the first and the second. Especially the first and the what? And the second. When you look at this, it becomes log of 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 and 9. So in that case, it can be 3 root 3 times root 9. Root 3 times root 9. What about this? Plus. This one is log. This one can be expressed in terms of 4 and 2. The reason I'm doing that is because come up with numbers which have direct roots. This will be the root of 2 times the root of 4. You can see here 9 has a direct root, here 4 has a direct root. Minus, this is 5 times 25. But I know that 25 has a square root. Times root of 25. Times the root of 25. Divide by, this one can be the log of 6 divided by 6 divided by 5. In this case, now we have applied laws of logarithms, whereby I remain with log of root of 3 plus log of root 9, which is actually 3. Then here it will be plus log of root 2, then plus log of 2, because the root of 4 is 2. Minus, this negative applies for both. But I can put the brackets. Of course, here I have forgotten. This one is equal to 3 out of 2. This will be log of the root of 5 plus log of root of 25, which is actually 5. Okay, since we are moving, this one is not necessary. This is where we're going to. Log of 6 out of 5. Let's try to reduce it and see. This one, the root is the same as the power a half. It's same as power. So whenever I have power a half root, I'm going to create power a half. So it becomes log of 3 power a half plus log of 3 plus log 2 power a half, plus log 2 minus log 5 power a half minus log what? Log 5. Out of log of 6 out of 5. Remember the law of logarithm that says the power of a number can come behind the log, and it becomes a coefficient. So that will be a half. In that case, if a half comes here, log 3 plus log 3 plus a half log 2 plus log 2. Then this will be minus a half log 5 plus, that is minus log 5. Out of, the whole thing out of log 6 out of 5. This is a half of a number plus the number. It becomes 3 out of 2 of that number. So this will be 3 out of 2 log of 3. This will be 3 out of 2, 3 out of 2 log of 2. And that will be minus 3 out of 2 log what? Log